I tried out Pillow funds for 60 days. I put in $1,000 and this is the result I got in 60 days. So if I go to my Pillow app, you'll see that I have in my balance $1,049.07 and total return to date is $19.81. You might say that this is pretty small. If you think so, then you don't know the power of savings or compound interest. I'll come back to that, but first let me withdraw $49 to be sure that the withdrawal works. So if I come here, I'll click on savings and I want to redeem $49 from this. I'll click on redeem and I'll enter $49. I just want $1,000 to be left there. Then I'll click on preview redeem. Great, confirm redeem. Okay, my redeem is processing. It takes 1 to 2 hours to process. Then after, I will withdraw to my bank account. So I'll continue with the video. I'll come back to continue or complete this process. We also have the US dollars card coming soon. Right now, you cannot use Nigerian debit card to purchase things online. If you want to pay for Netflix subscription or buy product on AliExpress or other international payments, you cannot do that with the Naira debit card. You would need a dollar card. Pillow will make this possible with the US dollar card coming soon. You will be able to fund the card with Naira and spend it the way you want. Now, let's get back to the savings. Have you read the book, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and Williams D. Danko? It is a book that examines the lifestyle and habits of self-made millionaires. The book teaches several lessons about savings, including 1. Frugality is key. Many millionaires live well below their means and are careful with their spending. They don't buy the most expensive cars or wear designer clothes, and they avoid wasting money on unnecessary purchases. 2. Consistent saving is important. Millionaires are often diligent savers, regularly putting aside a portion of their income for investment and long-term financial goals. 3. Investing wisely is crucial. Millionaires tend to invest their money in stock, bond, and real estate, and they carefully consider the risk and potential return of each investment. Overall, The Millionaire Next Door encourages readers to adopt a mindset of frugality and consistent saving, and to focus on long-term financial goals rather than short-term gratification. Now, if you look at investment in bonds over a 10-year period, it returns about 5 to 6% per annum. Investing in stock markets returns about 10% per annum. When you make money, it is important to preserve the value of that money. 20 years ago, Naira exchanged for the dollar at 130 Naira for $1. Let's say you work at that time and you earn 130,000 Naira. That is $1,000. And let's say out of this money, you save 50,000 Naira every month for 1 year, and you put this money in your bank account. That is 600,000 Naira in 1 year. Today, that money will be 894,000 Naira if you use a bank interest of 2% per annum. If we had converted that money to dollars and left it in a bank account with an interest of 1%, today it will be worth $5,636, which is 4.2 million Naira in today's conversion. The third option is that if we put this in a portfolio that pays us 10% per annum, like the stock market, that money will be $33,821, which is 25.3 million Naira. Can you see the power of savings and compound interest? Pillow offers 14% per annum with a $250 million insurance with BYBIT. That said, none of this is financial advice, as I am not a certified financial advisor. Also, you might want to check out the book, The Millionaire Mindset. Now, let me see if my fund on Pillow has been redeemed. So yes, it has been redeemed, and I can now withdraw this money to my bank account. $49 to bank account. So I'm going to enter the exchange rate. It's 728.40. I want to withdraw maximum, right? So this will give me 35,712 naira. So withdraw to bank. I've already entered my bank account. I'm going to get the OTP sent to my email. 3563 230 563. Okay, withdraw request processing. Now when I click on redeem, it wrote 1 to 2 hours, and that happened within 2 minutes. So withdraw processing, I hope this happens in a very short time as well. Okay, I just received an email that my withdrawal was successful and I have received the money to my bank account. This happens all in less than 5 minutes. If you want to know how to use the Pillow.fund platform, then you should watch this next video.